다들의 남자 자상 여름 수정 가들이 네 저는 가서 자다 들려 그래 다 되는데 다 근데 저보도 소식사래 아니 야와는 뭐지 그 총칼게 데코르테 둡사다 근데나 쳐봐 표사다 처음에 표사다 어디래 너나 근데 저보 대사래 다 보달라겠고 야다 지금
Venerable Bhikkhu Mahasangha, Venerable Lamas, distinguished members, guests, and members of the media. We have all assembled this morning at the Namgyal Tibetan Monastery to celebrate the 89th birthday of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. From the Namgyal Tibetan Monastery to the Mahabodhi Temple, circumambulating once the Mahabodhi Temple, an offering of robes, fruits, and offering of lights at the main shrine. Returning back to the Tibetan Namgyal Monastery, we had the lighting of the 90 butter lamps in honor of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. It is indeed a matter of great joy to be here to celebrate the 89th birthday of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. His Holiness the Dalai Lama was born on 6 July 1935 in northeastern Tibet. The Dalai Lamas are believed to be manifestations of Avalokiteshvara, the Bodhisattva of compassion and the patron saint of Tibet.
Virtues, divine and human both, which are looked at as the highest virtues in Buddhism, that is Karuna, Maitri, Mudita and Pragya. He is truly an embodiment of all these virtues and wisdom.
Yeah. suchitane la chukyung sumala suwachitabi ngata nyam tu chui pala doe saji boje baje bonye saji bo
'Jहाँ पर उपस्थित
सेक्रेटरी BTMC, यहाँ पर उपस्थित इंटरनेशनल बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल के अध्यक्ष, काउंसिल के माननीय सदस्यगण, honorable members of International Buddhist Council, all the distinguished guests, monks and head monks from different monasteries. I welcome you all and extend wishes on the 89th birthday of His Holiness. It's an auspicious occasion for all of us, especially for us in Bodh Gaya. We are eagerly waiting for arrival of His Holiness this year also. And as we know, His Holiness has always spread the message of Karuna and peace throughout the world. And this is an occasion to remember His teachings and principles. And rightly, this day is also remembered as the Compassion Day throughout the world. We are hearing that His Holiness has underwent a knee surgery and is recovering very well. It's a good news for us. We hope that His Holiness will be back in full, complete health, and he will extend his blessing of His Holiness 89th birthday. And we must promise ourselves and everybody that we will spread the message of His Holiness and teachings wherever possible and whenever possible. Thank you.